All right, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry. Welcome back to another video. I just ate a bunch of almonds, so they're like stuck in my throat. Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a daily dash. Just got home from another dash, and then I got a $10 order from Walgreens. Not gonna lie, I'm listening to this podcast right now. It's just about the UFC drama and stuff, but I was like, man, I really want to listen to this podcast, so I am taking another DoorDash order so I can listen to it and get paid to listen to it, you know? Just kind of validated my reasoning for doing DoorDash still in the last video, which was earlier today, but getting paid to go to Walgreens. Now, one thing I gotta say here is DoorDash is getting a little sneaky, and this, I know this like happened probably a couple months ago, but it really annoys me that they don't tell you how many items you're picking up before you accept the order. Because this is a huge deal for me, you know? Like, if I'm gonna be going to Walgreens and like maybe it's like maybe I'll take this order, maybe I won't. Like, I want to see how many items I'm picking up, because that's a huge factor of how long I'm going to be shopping for, you know? If it's, for example, this order is $10 for 4 miles, which seems like on paper there's going to be a post tip. It also delivers to a very like rich area. On top of that, I don't know. I just really wanted to know how many items are going to be on this order, and it didn't tell me until I accepted it, and then I went and saw that there's only one item, which doesn't make it a big deal. So I'm like, okay, whatever. It's a COVID antigen test, which is, I'm not really sure what that is. Is that an antibody test or something to know if you've already had it? Or is that just a regular COVID test that you swab around your nose? I'm not sure. I don't know. But man, DoorDash getting a little sneaky, kind of annoying. Be right back because I got to respond to this text message that just popped up. Alright, anyways, I'm very blinded right now. So I feel like if I could relate DoorDash to something, I would say it's like the government just pushing as far as they possibly can to see what they can get away with. And unfortunately, they can get away with a lot because people are going to continue to do these orders. It's not like we're on like high demand for DoorDash drivers. Like, people would take this order probably anyways. Just based on it's $10 for 4 miles. I generally think that they pay. I don't think there's any $3.50 orders coming from Walgreens or something where you actually have to go and do the shopping. I don't know. Let me know though. Comment down below. Is there $3 orders that come from like grocery shopping? Because honestly, like, who's gonna be silly enough to take that, you know? Like, you'd have to be pretty dumb. No offense if you guys are doing it, but I'm just saying you'd have to be pretty dumb to take a Walgreens or CVS order where you actually have to go and do the shopping for someone, compared to like the amount of money that you could do it for if you were just doing like a McDonald's order or something like that. I'm low-key taking like a strike against delivering McDonald's and like Taco Bell and those kind of orders, because I don't think, just after reading that article the other day about the about the phthalates or whatever that stuff is that's in all the fast food, I just don't think it's healthy for people. But I don't know how I feel about it, because I love me some like McDonald's breakfast on road trips or something, you know? I just think that people eat too much freaking fast food, and it's so bad for like society. Is like, I don't know. I just feel like it's just, the obesity in this country is ridiculous, is what I'm trying to say. All right, I'm just being honest. All right, be right back. Just pulled up. Be right back. All right, just dropped off, or just picked up the order. It is a COVID antigen test. Bam, look at this thing. For infection detection. Man, they are rapping and rhyming with the COVID stuff. Infection detection. Anyways, all right, so we're going to drop off this order. Then we're going to head back, but I do want to talk about an article that I was looking at as I stood up. Why did I say stood up? As I was checking out. So, Travis Scott. I'm sure all of you guys heard about like the 8 I thought it was 8 people, but apparently 10 people died now from that concert, which I'm so confused as how that many people died at a concert, but at the same time, not that I like know any facts that no one else does. I've seen people's conditions at those concerts, meaning like they're on crazy drugs, which is why I don't go to those kinds of things anymore, because I don't like to be around that kind of stuff. And people just straight up don't hydrate themselves. Like, it's like a mixture of alcohol, hard drugs, and no water, and probably not a good diet for the day before or something, you know? It's just a recipe for overdose and people to die and stuff. And I don't support Travis Scott as a person or as a rapper. Honestly, I couldn't even name one single song he sings. The only reason I know who this guy is because my brother's name is Travis Scott, which is super random, but I almost bought him this shirt because it said Travis Scott on the shirt. I was like, whoa, that's so weird. That's my brother's name. Did not even like know that it was a famous rapper or anything like that. My brother got the shirt and was like, I don't listen to this guy. I was like, oh, I did not realize who that was or anything. Anyways, okay, so I'm just saying this guy's getting sued for $750 million right now. That is, that's a lot of money. I don't think he's worth that much money. But, man, this is why I'm so exclusive. I don't know if exclusive is the right word. Selective on people that I support, people that I think are good people generally. I don't know if I think this guy's a good person. I definitely do not like what he promotes. That is for sure. I saw like all the stuff about the concert and I was like, yeah, I'm good. That's not something or somebody that I would ever support in the first place, let alone go to their concert. Apparently he's dating Kylie, I think it's Kylie Jenner or something like that. Anyways, I'm super far back on times. I do not pay attention to this kind of stuff. I barely know who Travis Scott was. But anyways, today's video was about DoorDash hiding CVS items and stuff when you have to go shopping for them. I just don't think that's right. It's funny because the CEO or president or whatever was bragging on the rideshare guys' channel about how they're the most transparent of all the delivery companies. Yet they're in a pretty quick race to become the least transparent. I don't think they really care though, because they've got a pretty good grasp on the monopoly of delivery driving anyways. So I'm gonna wrap up today's video because I gotta head back to my house like super quick after I drop off this order. But hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of content. Let me know your thoughts and stuff down below on the Travis Scott concert and on DoorDash hiding items or item counts. Like, that's the bare minimum for me. Just let me know how many items I'm shopping for. Anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. If you haven't yet, go use the Black Friday discount code at offaccessathletics.com. Get yourself a pair of shoes for $40. It's the cheapest you're going to get them. It's our Black Friday sale for my footwear company. Go check it out, offaccessathletics.com. Subscribe, smash the like button. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Peace.